What are you doing?
Banking, investments,
You can't get the popcorn from the back of your throat. It's like right here.
Cinema gift cards will turn you into a star.
Ariel, do you think I'd make a good voice actor?
Personalizing your gift card with your favorite photo is fun, and it's easy.
Your sister's joking. Hold on.
Cinema.com to design your gift card today. Now, a first look at the Sony Entertainment Network. With just a click, you can play anything, anytime, anywhere. With video unlimited and music unlimited right on your Sony device. And see what's next in entertainment by entering to win soundtracks and movie posters for the upcoming movie New Year's Eve, or tickets to see the film on us. For your chance to win, text New Year's Eve to 878787 or visit facebook.com. See New Year's Eve in theaters.
It sounds like a movie.
You sound like Teddy.
I
Show us some hustle, hey, you move your muscle.
I'm so glad nobody else is here.
Long live imagination.
Imagine how many people would be laughing their faces off if they just
Imagination. A Ron Howard production.
Shut up.
I don't have to. There's nobody else here.
We're gonna put this online. This is plenty stuff.
Who's having 4?
Why did this have to come out over laughing?
Stop looking at this. This is so sad.
I saw Mom that night.
Wait, so she killed herself trying to pilot a downed airplane.
What is this?
Coming soon. That's what it is. There are more. YouTube.com/imagination.
I don't know.
It's a campaign designed, I think, to encourage people to participate in
I feel it.
having the confidence.
You felt
Their
it.
imagery can inspire others. The
I'll do it
creative
up close.
components of the project on a conceptual level were challenging, kind of playful in a way, experimental.
No, I'm drooling.
I like that.
I didn't really know what to expect in terms of, how many people would submit their
Breaks
photographs,
Dallas Howard.
at what kind of a pace they would submit their photographs.
Isn't that what's her face
Pretty
from
startling,
Spider-Man?
actually, to hear in under a month nearly 100,000.
Wait, was she Gwen Stacy?
Categories.
Yeah.
And I just think that's remarkable and exciting and something that I think is very inspiring.
Aren't you like a mirror or something? That is her.
Choose photographs that I felt would lay the foundation, provide the inspiration for an interesting, unusual short film. And so certainly that came into mind in the final selections, trying to sort of find something.
Where is it? Wait, hold on.
Use the photos in a pivotal, important way. I think the whole idea
Oh, that's gross.
groups of people coming together, people who don't necessarily
Yay.
know
You
each
happy?
other, and
Yes.
yet influencing
And there's
the creative
nobody-
project. That's something that
There's nobody here, and there's like 6 purple seats, like random.